Hello everyone, it's Peter here with GoodyReader.com. Here it is, the Onyx Boox Note 2, lighter and mightier. This is the all-new 2019 October release of this device. You can see the specs are in many different languages. We will focus in on English because that is our main clientele here. You can pause the video at any time if you want to read that. 4300 milliamp battery, mic, speakers, capacitive touch, WACOM touch. Octa-core, very nice. This is a review unit, so it is already opened up. I took a little peek. I didn't take it out of the box or anything myself. It looks like there is no screen protector installed on here, but we will leave this till the very end and look at the rest of the box. What do we have in here? This is probably most likely the cables and everything else. Oh, we have the stylus, and it looks like they went with the standard WACOM stylus once more. I'll show you that on the white background there. They didn't go with the one that looks like an HB2 pencil, the one that is all octagonal shaped. Went with this stylus. So that's that. And we have a USB-C cable right here, one end full USB, one end USB-C. And there's nothing else in this box. And what is on the other side here, we have start guide, quick start guide. We'll just accordion this open, show you guys every single page. Pause the video at any time. If you lose your quick start guide, you can read it here. Back should be Chinese. Yes, it is. Whoops. Just like so. Perfect. And what do we have here? We have the warranty information. Your warranty card is here, and it matches the one on the back of the box. If you have any problems, this does come with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty, so you can hit us up and we can assist you with that. On to the device itself. Here it is. So it is lighter. It is a little bit lighter. It's a little bit thinner feeling. I'm not sure of the exact thickness of the device itself. Still going with the flush screen and bezel design. The power button down is the touch button down below for back. It's not usually a home button unless they've changed the OS from there. It goes back a step. It doesn't actually go to the home screen. You have a power button with a status indicator light right there. Nothing on the one side and nothing on the other side. 2 speakers down below, bang bang. And you have the Boox logo with the Note 2 model. If you've seen any of our previous videos, the Boox Note line is about 6 or 7 devices strong. Make sure you know which one you are buying. You have the USB-C down below, microphone, and 2 Torx screws for servicing. Unless you are either an authorized service depot or you know what you're doing, do not take those out, although they have left it up to you to decide to do that or not. Another thing is a lot of you guys have a little bit of confusion when it comes to our unboxing videos. I will let you know, on our unboxing videos shows you what's in the box. If you guys want to see us turn it on and use the device, please watch the other videos that we will upload on youtube.com/GoodyReader. We're not going to turn on the device now because it has to go through the setup process, and this is an unboxing video. We will show you everything that comes in the box, like so. Here it is. And if you have any other questions, let us know. Stay tuned for the full review where we will turn it on, use it, review it, everything else that has to do with this device. For now, for GoodyReader.com, this is Peter.